Hello everyone, this is Darsh Chitalia. Welcome to my channel Darshonium. In today's video, we will start with a very important topic which is corrosion. So let us first define corrosion. Definition है the process of slow degradation of metals due to the attack of atmospheric gases, moisture, acids, etc. on the surface of metals is called corrosion. So, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो आपके सामने 4 टेस्ट ट्यूब्स हैं एंड चारों टेस्ट ट्यूब्स में आयन नेल इमर्ज्ड है इन 4 डिफरेंट कंडीशंस. सो आपको अंदाज़ा लगाना है कौन से टेस्ट ट्यूब में रखा हुआ आयन नेल रस्ट होगा एंड कौन से टेस्ट ट्यूब का आयन नेल रस्ट नहीं होगा. सो आई विल गिव यू 15 seconds to answer this. And your time starts now. So the answers are as follows. In test tube 1, there will be no rusting of iron nail. In test tube 2, iron nail undergoes rusting, and in test tube 3, iron nail undergoes rusting, and in test tube 4, there will be no rusting of iron nail. So चलो इन आंसर्स के पीछे का रीज़न समझते हैं. So याद रखना water and air both are necessary for rusting, and also याद रखना the rusting process takes place rapidly in presence of a salt. So चलो अब टेस्ट ट्यूब 1 में रस्टिंग क्यों नहीं हुआ ये समझते हैं. So जैसे कि कंडीशन इन टेस्ट ट्यूब 1 है ऑयल लेयर ऑन बॉइल्ड वाटर. So जब हम वाटर बॉयल करते हैं the boiled water then lacks a dissolved oxygen, and the oil layer prevents addition of oxygen from atmosphere into the water. So as we know कि both air and water is needed for rusting, hence test tube 1 में there is no rusting of iron nail as there is absence of air. Now in test tube 2 condition given is salt solution. जैसे कि हम लोगों को पता है रस्टिंग टेक्स प्लेस रैपिडली इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ सॉल्ट एंड हेंस टेस्ट ट्यूब 2 में होगा रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन नेल. अब इन टेस्ट ट्यूब 3 कंडीशन जो दिया गया है इज एयर, बट जैसे कि टेस्ट ट्यूब खुली है वी विल प्रिज्यूम कि मॉइस्चर फ्रॉम एटमॉस्फेयर टेक्स पार्ट इन द रिएक्शन. सो इस टेस्ट ट्यूब में there is presence of both air and moisture. Hence, in test tube 3, there is rusting of iron nail. Now, in test tube 4, the condition is air and anhydrous calcium chloride. So, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो टेस्ट ट्यूब को रबर कॉर्क से बंद कर दिया है. So, हो सकता है air and moisture must have entered the test tube, but the moisture in the test tube is absorbed by anhydrous calcium chloride as it is hygroscopic in nature. Hygroscopic means it readily absorbs moisture from the air, making it a good drying agent. Hence, as the moisture in the test tube is absorbed by anhydrous calcium chloride, there is only presence of air. Hence, in test tube 4, there is no rusting of iron nail. So, as we saw, rusting occurs in test tube 2 and 3. This can be verified when a reddish colored solid layer collects on the metallic surface. This layer on iron nail is called rust. And please remember, the formula of rust is very important. फॉर्मूला है Fe2O3.XH2O. प्लीज़ ये फॉर्मूला अच्छे से याद कर लेना. So, this was my video on corrosion. I hope you found it useful. And if you liked this video, please smash out the like button. And if you have any suggestions or any queries, please comment below. Share this video with all your friends. Thank you for giving me all your time. I hope everyone enjoyed. Sub. Maze karo. Thank you.